Yun nga pala, gusto ni Love kumuha nitong rice na to, Japanese rice. Is that a Japanese rice na? Love, how's the food? Say it in Tagalog.
Masarap.
Is that the only Tagalog word that you know?
I know a couple other ones.
Welcome to Zayda's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. So today is Wednesday. Happy Wednesday everyone. So nandito kami ngayon sa Asian store kasi bibili kami ng mga groceries dito. Tapos noon pupunta kami sa pizza place para mag-order ng pizza kasi tinatamad sila magluto ng aming lunch. Kaya o-order na lang kami ng pizza. So yun ang aming agenda for today. Samahan nyo kami. Zayda, say hello. Say hi. Ayan, Oriental Groceries. Diyan kami bibili ng mga Asian items. Asian grocery. Ganda dito kasi wala masyadong tao. Pero maliit lang siya. Look at that basket. Ayan. Tapos maganda kasi walang pa-music. Yung iba kasing mga store ay may pa-music. Ayan. Meron silang mga instant noodles. Gusto ko nito. $5.99. Look. Yan. Curry. Tapos meron din melon. Parang sarap nito. Yun nga pala, gusto ni Love kumuha nitong rice na to, Japanese rice. Is that a Japanese rice na? Nishiki. How much is that? Nishiki. $25 siya. Ice cream. I thought you want ice cream. Red bean and cookie flavor. What is this? Bamboo shoots? And may mga bamboo shoots din sila. How about this? Rice cake. Ay, merong dilis. Ayaw ni Love ng amoy ng mga ganyan. Mga seafood. Merong ay! Yakult. Hindi nakalagay. Mukha siyang Yakult kaya lang parang ano ba ito? Japanese, Chinese. Parang gusto ko nito. Thai iced tea. How do you do this? Kaso wala kaming ice. Aya. Coffee ko. Yes. Ito. Sarap kaya to. Hello, honey tea. Ito, nakatikim na ako nito. Masarap to eh. Magkano kaya ito? Medyo mahal siya. $9.99. Love. This one is good but it's expensive.
What is it?
Honey citron tea. $9.99.
What is it?
Honey. And then citron tea. You just mix it, just add hot water or cold water and it's good.
Do you want it?
Yeah, but it's expensive.
Well, is it gonna go bad?
I don't know. Let's see. I don't think so. I can finish that in 2 weeks. You can drink that. It's good for your body. Kaya meron silang white rabbit. Namis ko rin yung white rabbit sa Pilipinas. What's that? What is that?
Orange peel, kumquat.
I don't know. What do you want? This one's gonna make you poop. Yeah, isn't it?
What is kumquat?
Kumquat is like a small tamarind. Tamarind. What's that? Mandarin. Nagpapatong pakwan sila dito. $3.99. Mahal. Tingnan niyo, meron ganito. Menopause easy. Nakakatawa. Iniikot namin. Sarap to. Spicy chili garlic crisp. Merong ano. Ito yung pang sotanghon dito. Pang sotanghon dito. Kasi hindi naman ako marunong magluto. Everything is good for a soup.
Do you see seaweed?
Huh? Seaweed? I think I saw it on the other side. Ang laki nito. Hindi ko masyadong feel yung lasa niya kasi ang tabang. What's that? Companion. Meron silang ganito. Whale eggs.
This would be easier than just open
It is $3.99. $3.99 whale egg. Meron silang jufran. No. Ayan, dito nag-order si Love ng pizza. Sa New England Pizza. So, pipick upin na lang namin. Doon na rin kami doon sa Asian grocery store. So, mamaya mag-haul ako pagdating sa bahay.
Alright, don't overheat.
Napakainit ngayon. Baby, is it hot? Is it hot, Zeta? Nakatadala si Zeta. Hi, baby. So, temperature check, it's 30 degrees Celsius. Ang init. Grabe, ang init ngayon dito. Hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan ang summer. Pero sa next month, meron ulit kaming summer getaway ng family. Kasama na yata ang aking mga in-laws. Pupunta kami sa Massachusetts ata yun. Yung Cape Cod. Para sa birthday ni Richie. Ng aking mister. So, doon namin isa-celebrate. Hindi ko alam kung ilang days kami doon. Siguro mga 4 days. 3 to 4 days. Not sure kung makakakuha siya ng mahaba-habang leave. So, excited na ako dun. Kasi every time na pumupunta kami sa beach o kaya sa lake, laging natatapat na time of the month. Eh, kung 15 kami pupunta doon, kasi ang birthday niya is the 15th of August. Ano na naman, meron na naman ako noon. Kaya, ewan ko. Hindi kasi ako gumagamit ng anong tawag dito? Ng, ano ba yung tawag dyan? Ay, nako, nakalimutan ko. tampons. Kasi diba pagka meron ka tapos gusto mo mag-swimming, pwede naman mag-tampons. Para hindi siya halata dun sa iyong swimwear. Hindi kasi ako komportable. Kayo ba? Yung bang mga girls dyan? Okay ba sa inyo gumamit ng tampons? Yung iba, napapansin ko okay naman. Pero parang sa Pilipinas, mas common pa rin gumagamit ng sanitary napkin. Diba? Dito daw kasi, sabi nitong aking mister, yung mga babae dito, base sa kanyang experience sa mga nakarelasyon niya siguro, tampons ang ginagamit nila. Nagulat nga siya sa akin kasi ang ginagamit ko is sanitary pads.
Why are you talking about it?
Why? Pasensya na po if it's too much information. It's okay. It's normal. It's a normal thing. So, ayun. Pabalik na kami sa bahay. Mamaya i-haul ko ang pinamili namin sa sa Asian grocery store. See you later. Ayan, so andito na kami sa bahay. I-haul ko na ang aming pinamili sa Asian store. Wait lang. So, ito yung isa sa pinamili namin ang bigat. Japanese rice. Konti lang naman. Tapos, itong citron tea. Tapos, itong crystal kumquat. And then, Yogo Vera juice. Pa ito. What is this, love? Coconut candy. Ayun, ayun lang. And yung total ng pinamili namin ay $47.10. Love, are you flexing your sexy body to the camera? You're always showing your sexy body to the camera.
I'm making video.
Are you flexing your love handles to the camera? Tapos ito yung pizza. Ang laki nitong pizza na in-order ni Love. Paano ba namin ito ubusin?
Are you? You know the cheese is gonna fall off the thing.
I just did this. Ayun, so kakain na kami na
See if you ruined it.
lunch. I did not see.
You never know.
Arte-arte na ito.
Be gentle.
Yan, so kakain na kami ng lunch. Baby, are you hungry? Are you gonna eat pizza? Pakainin naman ng pizza si Zeta. So, ito ang aming lunch for today. Tapos may sinasabi si Love kanina. Love, what are you saying about the pizza here in Connecticut?
The mechanic I watched, Vice Grips Garage, Derek, he's from the Midwest, and he said that East Coast pizza has ruined pizza for him, which I know is true because I've traveled around the country, and you can really only get pizza, the good pizza, in the Northeast. I don't know why. It's not that complicated, but that's just where the good pizza is in the Northeast for some reason. The end.
Seryo. Balahibo. Love, you're like the telenovela actor from Mexico. He has a lot of chest hair.
The baby wants to eat, you know.
Love, how's the food? Say it in Tagalog.
Masarap.
Is that the only Tagalog word that you know?
I know a couple other ones.
What?
Puta.
Love, just the good ones. How about pretty? Beautiful?
Maganda.
Love, louder.
I'm eating. Leave me alone.
So, ayun, kakain na kami ng lunch. I-end ko na ang vlog dito. Super quick vlog lang. Kasi ito sa Love ay babalik na ulit sa work mamayang gabi. Sila. Ayun lang po for today's vlog. Thank you so much again for supporting Zeta's Mama and Dad's YouTube channel. See you again soon. Bye! Mahal si Nan.
Eat the baby.
Bye. Zayra, say bye.